Fly too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously I fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck, that shine like a chain. Now that money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not out the app. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my 3 trades on the NASDAQ 100. If you look at today's daily candle, that's the Monday candle here, you can probably know what happened today, and you can see the all reds here. I've been having like a losing streak, so with that I actually de-risked and went down to a smaller volume size when I'm trading, so that way I can kind of give my trades room. But then at the same time, if I'm wrong, I don't face a huge loss. So you can see today I took 3 losers. One was a loss of 21. Another was a loss of 17. The other was a loss of 19. Right? So let's actually go into the first trade. So the first trade I entered on the first hour candle. And let's actually go back to there. So on the first hour candle, let's actually put this on Cairo time. That actually matches what's going on here. So on the Cairo time zone, on the Cairo, you can look. That will match the first, which is the 1 hour. And I entered on a long position here. So a long position. And this one you can see I entered at 17,639. 17,639.79 to the upside. Now where did I have my stop loss? You can see my stop loss was here at 17,610, but I actually got stopped out. I mean, I guess the broker could actually see that it was coming down to my stop loss, and with that it kind of just knocked me out a little bit early at 17,608.84. You can see I got stopped out relatively quickly on the second candle, which is the 2 hour candle, and that reflects it right here for a loss of 21.67. It's a later down in the day now. I had wait until closer to around market open. I decided to re-enter trade on the buy side. So I was buy side for most of the day, but that ended up knocking me out within an hour. So on the 14 candle, let's find the 14 candle. So when I re-entered to the upside now, and this was at 16,643, 643.7, and then I had a stop loss of 16,619.07, 619.07. You can see the long position actually shows you where you got stopped out. You can see that fine line there shows you at what point did the market actually come down and hit your stop loss, and this line here will show you there. So that's where it came out. I hit my stop loss on the 15 candle for a loss of 17.24. You can see that on these trades I'm risking about 0.2%. this one 0.15% of the account. So I'm keeping the risk relatively small, and then I'm looking to make 1% possibly on this trade, like get a $100 move off of a loss of 20 or 17 thereabout, and that would be about a 5 risk reward. The next trade now I entered on the 16 candle, and where's the 16 candle? This one. So I entered on a 16 candle. The next one was a buy side trade, huge buy side trade. And then after that, when I got knocked out, I decided, yeah, I'm not trading this anymore. So I entered this one at 17,626.28. And then I actually got stopped out at 17,598.15. So right here, this would have been a great sell side trade because I could have taken it to the downside, but who knows, would I have even looked at the chart for the next hour to know that I should have closed this trade. You never know, right? So let's see. Yeah, that's basically what happened today. I got knocked out for 3 trades, total loss of about $60. 3 trades that could have made me some good money, but today was very, you can see it was a huge doji candle, like a huge indecision candle, where it opened and where it closed is about the same. So if you had entered a directional trade, you'd have got stopped out regardless of what direction you went. If you went buy side, you got stopped out. If you went sell side, you'd have gotten stopped out as the market came right back up, unless you had took profits during the day. The next trade now, entered another trade now to the sell side, because doji candles, and those are candles that typically open and close at the same place, are typically reversal signs. I entered to the sell side there. So I entered to the sell side on the 2nd hour candle. That was this one. And then I got stopped out on the same candle as the market started to print a little higher. So I entered this one at 17,621.09. And then I got stopped out here at 17,634.84. And that one was a loss of $9.63. I didn't have to go big on this trade for it to tell me that I'm wrong. And that's basically what happened so far. I already flipped to the buy side now, so I'm looking to go buy side, and then I have my stop loss somewhere down here for a max risk of about 20, so I can probably lose about $30 on today. So if the market still decides to not really pick a range or pick where it's going to go, then I can actually, wow, the market still doesn't decide to pick where it's going, I'm not going to take a huge loss. I can actually reposition and reevaluate where I'm looking on the charts. But for right now, I'm looking for bullish movement. You can see we close above last week's close on last week, on the previous week's close on last week, but we're still not able to break above the high, which is kind of telling me probably we might start heading down from here. But there's still the possibility that we can go higher. You never know. The market does a lot. And you also have large cap stocks like Nvidia just tear into new highs, which is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie, kind of crazy. From December 22, Nvidia has been on a straight tear. It's been going crazy, especially since 2024. But I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy this. Bye bye.